Welcome to the colorful and captivating world of chameleons. Did you know there are over 200 species of these extraordinary reptiles found across the globe, from their mesmerizing color-changing abilities to their incredible eyes that can move independently? Chameleons are truly nature's wonders. But that's not all. These unique creatures have prehensile tails, which means they can use their tail to hold themselves from a branch or help them in climbing. They have zygodactylous feet, which means their feet work like tongs, and tongues that can shoot out faster than you can blink. Intrigued? Let's crawl deeper into their fascinating lives. Let's start with some background on chameleons. Chameleons have been around for millions of years and belong to the family Chameleonidae. They evolved from early reptiles that lived in the rainforests of Madagascar and parts of Africa. Today, chameleons are found in a variety of habitats, from the lush forests to the more arid regions of Asia. While most of us associate chameleons with tropical environments, some species have adapted to survive in dry, harsh conditions. For instance, the desert-dwelling veiled chameleon can thrive in environments with very little rainfall. Chameleons primarily live in warm environments such as rainforests, savannas, and even mountain slopes. They can be found across Africa, Madagascar, Southern Europe, and parts of Asia. But did you know that over half of the world's chameleon species are native to Madagascar? This island is like a paradise for these amazing reptiles. Now let's talk numbers. Currently, scientists have identified 213 species of chameleons, ranging from the tiny Bruchisia micra, which is smaller than your thumb, to the giant Parsons chameleon, which can grow up to 27 inches long. But no matter where they live, chameleons have one thing in common. They are incredibly well camouflaged and well adapted to their environments. Isn't that amazing? One of the most remarkable features of chameleons is their eyes. Unlike most animals, their eyes can move independently of each other, allowing them to have a full 360-degree view of their surroundings. This means they can look forward and backward at the same time, which helps them spot both predators and prey with incredible precision. Now, let's talk about their legendary color-changing ability. Many people think chameleons change color solely to camouflage, but that's only part of the story. This amazing ability isn't just for hiding in plain sight. It's a complex process that involves specialized cells in the skin called chromatophores and iridophores. These cells are filled with different pigments, including red, yellow, blue, and black. Chameleons can manipulate these pigments, causing their skin to change from shades of green to bright reds, yellows, and even blue. These reptiles use their skin to communicate their mood, regulate their body temperature, and even signal dominance or readiness to mate. For example, darker colors absorb heat, while lighter colors reflect it, allowing the chameleons to control its temperature more efficiently. When chameleons is relaxed, it might display green or brown hues. If it's stressed or angry, you might see bright reds and yellows. It's just different way chameleons can use their colors to express their emotions. Just like a human's face can change when they're happy, angry, or scared. Their special skin cells reflect light in a very fascinating ways. What do chameleons eat, you ask? Well, these masters of disguise have a surprisingly simple diet. Most chameleons are insectivores, which means they eat small insects. Larger species can even eat small reptiles. Some chameleons will also nibble on fruits, depending on their species and environment, but chameleons don't chase after their food. Instead, they rely on a strategy. Now here's how it's done. A chameleon's tongue can extend up to twice the length of its body to catch food with pinpoint accuracy. And here's something even more fascinating. Their tongue can shoot out at speeds of up to 13 miles per hour. Their tongue is coated with a sticky secretion, which helps to secure their food. How's that for fast food? In the wild, most chameleons have a short lifespan, about 2 to 5 years, depending on the species. However, in wildlife nature reserves or with proper care in captivity, some can live up to 10 years. Chameleons are generally solitary creatures, but they do have interesting social behaviors. Chameleons have a unique approach to family life. Some species can lay eggs even without a partner. Small females lay between 2 and 4 eggs, and larger chameleons can range from 10 to 40 called clutch. In some species, It can on average 6 to 8 months to hatch. The female will climb from her home and dig a burrow to lay her eggs and covers it up with dirt as if she wasn't there and climb back into her tree while her eggs incubate. Now, like the Jackson's chameleon, give birth to life young. Isn't that a remarkable wonder? Once hatched, baby chameleons are entirely independent. They start catching food and climbing trees almost immediately without any help. Nature's little survivalist at its best, wouldn't you say? Unfortunately, many chameleon species are under threat due to the destruction of tropical rainforests. These species that rely on these habitats for shelter and food, but with conservation efforts, we can help protect these incredible creatures. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the vibrant world of chameleons. These reptiles are not just animals, they're nature's marvels, deserving of our awe and protection. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bear Bunk Lowdown for the Love of Animals for more amazing animal adventures. And remember, chameleons are masters of disguise, using color, stealth, and unique adaptations to thrive in diverse environments. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the wild. See you next time